So this book is made of tracks that you can ski on or you can DJ with. And so I will DJ some of those tracks, and the first one is called Let Me Explain, which is supposed to be a preface. A sentence starts in the diverse. It matters because it tries to not to definitely limit its inexhaustible progression. It defies the indecent laziness of closure. It bets that there will be objects, images, words, bodies, forms, situations, facts, intersections, and queries in fiction. It resists. It takes light, lively experience and progresses without going too far. In a sense, lazing about at times, but not at all betting on its own end. Nimble, it practices corrosive multiplicity. It's the moment at which certain facts, having not yet being reduced to concept, it feeds on the indecency of a relative quality. And yet, if the sentence carries the fiction along, why ask? The inquiry searches through the diverse. Interrogate words, questions those being born and those dying out, those in danger, those disappearing, those alive and those not alive, those in the sites in between and those that don't yet exist. Question the pertinence of detail, its effects, its field of action. Look both ways. Turn the questioning back on itself infinitely. Question the basis of the desire to inquire. If the sentence forms projection screens, why and how should it be shown? It could be shown in diverse ways. It leaves, it launches, it creates, it displays, it warns, it aims. Its elegance is sometimes contradictory. Eloquence is not its job. It is understood as a proposition. At times, it can be a blank space. It barely misses being an original. It grows through approximation, perhaps. It invents itself in disparate times. Mini theory of translation. It throws the text to the ground, puts it in a hold that keeps it there, boom. Sometimes the text picks up the translation. Sometimes the translation picks up the text, boom. There is, between translation and the text, a seemingly settled relationship. The translation sometimes surrenders all, though it was especially asked to sit down and take form. It can refuse to cooperate with those who'd like to constrain its more subtle moves. It can reply if it wants, using a few gymnastics, some athletic gestures, sometimes unconscious, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. And breathe. And so here we are. There will be no labels. They don't exist yet. Or else they've stopped to oscillate, flicker, zigzag, striate, deviate.